Your girl ran out of deep conditioner, but it's okay because I decided to make my own. I was not about to go buy any deep conditioner, and I've been wanting to make my own deep conditioner for a while, so I'm just like, let me make my deep conditioner today. If you're interested in making your own DIY deep conditioner, stay tuned. I have this regular conditioner that I am going to turn into deep conditioner. I also have this organic honey, and I have organic coconut oil, and lastly I have extra virgin olive oil. So my hair is washed and conditioned, so now it's time to use the deep conditioner that I made, and I'm excited for this because y'all, if this work, I'm gonna be so happy. I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna do this all the time now, all the time. So now I'm gonna use this brush to distribute all of the product, and I find it so much easier to make sure that all of the product gets through my hair. I highly recommend a brush like this or something similar to use for your deep conditioner. So I tried not to use a lot because I wanted to make it stretch and make sure I had enough, but I got a good amount left, so I'm just gonna finish up and make sure I put all of it on there. So I put in a lot. I probably could have used the rest for next week, but it's okay. I might just buy some deep conditioner by then, some real deep conditioner, or I'll just make this again if I like it. But so far so good. I like it. The feel of it, it kind of feels grainy a little, like, you know, it's like some hard stuff in it. I don't know what it is. Could it be the coconut oil? I don't know. Or the honey. But it's a little, you know, got like some little tiny hard rocks in it or something. Okay, so now I'm going to put a plastic bag on this and let it sit for at least 30 minutes, and I'll be back to show you guys the results. So this is my hair after. I definitely feel like this deep conditioner could last you if you ran out or you don't have any more, but I would definitely rather do my regular deep conditioner. I don't know if it's because of the way I slept, but this ain't really working out.